Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. You can see the yesterday copper market opened around 422.3. You can see this black color candlestick that represents the price opening. And all the candlestick, we are using a 60 minutes candlestick chart for our presentation. And whenever I place a cursor on a particular candlestick, you can always see the date below. These vertical dotted lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. So yesterday copper market opened around 422.3 around this zone. We expected that the copper can maintain its uptrend, having 422 and 418 and 416 as a major support. Even this 420 is can be a possible intermediate support, because we can see that the market took the support here and it found a resistance there. So we can even consider that. So now let us see what happened after that. You can see after the price opening, the market gradually went up. You can see slowly and steadily it went up and reached around 426.7. So it is the target of around 426.7. So it was unable to withstand above 426. That pushed the market down. You can see that pushed the market down and it closed around 423.55. So the closing was bit lower, but when you compare to the price opening, it was higher. So the market couldn't withstand this 426. So that is the first case. We should make a note of that. So this is going to be a good resistance level. This 426 can be a good resistance zone. So yesterday the market went with a trend. So we can say till the market is good for buying. So you can see that today also we can expect copper to open more or less around the same zone, around 423 to 424. So you can expect copper to open more or less around the same zone. So what we can do is that today also we can expect copper to maintain its uptrend, because unless until we get a very clear confirmation, we don't go against the trend. We follow the trend carefully. But what we had witnessed is that yesterday we had drawn a trend line which identifies that whether the market is in line with the trend. But you can see this trend line was broken. So that may be what it indicates is that there may be a sideways price movement. We can also call that as a consolidation movement also. But still now we expect copper will have a good support around 422. This is the zone which we should watch very carefully. This 422 we cannot take it very easily. So if the price can withstand 422 zone, easily the copper can move till 432. But if the copper price breaks this 422, the next point is going to be 418. Again you can see this 482 is going to be supported by the average also. So till 418 you can go for buying. If you have sufficient funds in your trading account, you can also test till 416. There is no change in our plan, because this trend line which we had identified, you can see how the market moved from 410.6. We have connected this trend that indicates that the market direction is here. Still the second trend line which we had drawn, that had identified that the market can go in line with 418 initially. So if you are conservative trader, till you can go for buying till 418 and you can place a stop loss below. So if we have sufficient funds, it is not we can also go for buying till 416. What we advise is that wait for the market to test 422 for our initial buy. So if the price can sustain this 422, then the possibility is that the market should sustain 418. So based upon the price action which is going to happen between 422 and 418, we can make a clear decision about the trend. So still now we didn't yesterday there was a bit of drop, but that is not a confirmation that the price can come down. So still we feel that the copper has got a good potential, but we want to watch what is happening around 422, whether the market is taking a good support around 422 or it is going to break this 422 easily. So this zone is a good, we need to watch this one very carefully. If the price broke this one, also we have a support with a trend and also with the average also. Till 416 today also we expect copper to maintain its uptrend. So let us see, and the target zone is very simple, the 426. Initially the price should sustain this 426 because we had seen a failure above 426 yesterday. So the price should sustain this 426, and also then if the price can sustain this, the market has got a possibilities to reach 432. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos, and happy trading. Take care. Bye.